So my name is Max Oliver, and yes, I found it very helpful. The real-world examples and constantly referring to real-world examples is very good. Helps embed it and helps us also pass that knowledge on to other people. There's a couple of really good areas that I'm going to I've already started speaking to my boss Keith, who's going to be on the course in July about implementing, because I think some of the stuff here is just straight to the point and something that we can implement quickly rather than some of the over complex solutions that we've come up with. So even the cyber response plan, etc., like that, bits and pieces like that, very keen on. The 10-20 things about per server, I've been trying to work out how we can pull that, knowing that that's quite a key area. So yeah, there's some really key points here that I think we'll take out and use going forwards.